boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the lot. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. What you can do.
Okay, so yesterday was just full of confusion. Honestly, nobody knew what was going on. But today was a lot better. I got the letter from the school that says to the government, "Ayo, she actually goes here." And then we made our way to our next lecture, which I think was supposed to be biology, but more confusion. Anyway, y'all, that is a friend that I made. Her name is Anya. She's from Nigeria. She's like one of the sweetest people you will ever meet, period. We're supposed to be doing a bio tutorial and the lecture is not even here yet. And we don't know if the lecture is coming, so I don't think we really understood how fast time moves, but yeah, we left the library pretty late and we had an assignment, so I guess that's why we stayed there for so long. And we made our way back to the dorms, and the place is actually really pretty at night though, but the camera was not doing it justice, so excuse me. But yeah. Also, are you really like a med student if you're not obsessed with grades? Because I don't think so. Hey guys, so I just got out of a biology lecture. I'm so pissed because so essentially I have lectures from 11 all the way until 4 o'clock, no breaks. I don't have a lunch break, so this is the only time I get to eat. So I'm thinking I'm going to focus on getting myself something to eat. And it starts raining as soon as we leave our lecture. Did I not leave my room windows open when I left? So now part of my bed is wet. And I've got 13 minutes left to go to the cafeteria and get myself something to eat. I'm making coffee right now, and I got a reversion letter from the immigration office. So now I have to edit my application so that I put my signature, and I have to do all of this before my lesson. I don't know if I'm gonna eat. In fact, I'm gonna prioritize eating. I can do that later, during the lesson, honestly, because I'm tired and I've got a maths tutorial. I don't even like maths, but I have to work hard for maths because not liking it makes it even harder for me to pass it. Also, my A-level results come out tomorrow. Can you believe? I don't even understand what I'm supposed to do with my life right now, but this is where we are. This is where we're stuck at.
Got it.
on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to be
The camera out. Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel.
baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name?
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get a drink from the cafeteria. I want to try slushy. So it's ongoing.
Shady, you ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the place in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four.
Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. And it's confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. Oh, baby, you should know this. I ain't going. I ain't blowing smoke. I need her this over.
Yeah, I don't think you should.
I know you know this.
Miso slipper.
No,
Only if you have. Let me look for something. Yeah.
No, don't touch this. Touch the wing. Yeah.
It's awake now though.
Not change, but I'll be the one that always, always
Someone just like.
You have to scream. Yes.
So we was cutting meat.
Yeah,
because she feels the need to pack her meat into small plastic, even though her meat is not that much, because she does not plan on feeding herself. But Jeff said you plan on feeding myself for the way. Apparently. So